Hello and welcome to the long drive. I am here with Smokey Cat YT. He is holding Lika, the rabbit.
I'm Mercury in this episode.
He's not. There he is.
I'm not going to be in the video as much. I'm just going to hold Lika up and comment when appropriate.
Okay, let's play this game. Yo, I just watched this epic thing called the Meme Cinematic Universe on YouTube. You should check it out.
You should probably turn off on it. No, you don't. I was going to say you should probably turn it on, but it's already on.
I'll link that in the description.
You should watch out for rabbits. That's my one
Rabbits?
thing I'm going to say about
There's
it.
rabbits?
Yeah, they try and kill you though.
It's like Lika.
Yeah.
This game's truly in the spirit of the channel.
Lika Simulator.
Lika Simulator 2020. Okay, we have candy. I'm gonna take this.
That is a cleaning supply.
Oh, it's not.
Cleaner. Take that sponge.
It's fine. I just need this.
No, take the sponge.
Okay.
You're gonna need it later down the road, probably.
Okay.
I mean, it's just like to clean
How do
your
I?
car up.
How do I?
Oh, you just have to grab that one.
How do I put it down?
You
Oh.
switch hands.
Yeah. That's
The
fine.
game's a little strange sometimes. Emails.
Oh.
Push. Push door. Push. Yeah! Oh, take the gun.
Oh.
And gun caps.
Welcome to America, guys.
Put that in your inventory and then take the gun
Who's
caps.
this lady?
Probably some random person. Wow, you're great. You're doing great at this
Open
game.
the door.
Not
My
bad
arm.
at all. E-mouse.
My arm.
The same as before. Just swipe. Use your
My
mouse to
arm.
pull out the door.
My arm.
Bear with Kate. He's never played the long drive before.
My arm hurts. A lot. Okay, this goes in the shotgun seat because it's it's not a shotgun.
Shotgun.
Okay.
That's when you'll shoot the rabbits with. Did you grab the ammo?
We're not shooting rabbits.
Grab the ammo?
No, we don't need ammo. We're not shooting rabbits.
Okay. They're giant.
It's fine. We'll be fine.
They're not.
It's fine. They're friends, not foes.
No, they're definitely foes. Oh, wait. Take the cleaning supply.
Oh, yeah.
And that bar.
I'm trying to.
And attach it to the front of your car.
How do I put down this thing in my hand?
I don't know. I'm not sure. Here.
Oh, there. I have two
Yeah,
slots.
you can switch your hotbar. There's like 5 slots for stuff. You might want to take the caps, just in case.
I'll take the ammo.
Just in case you get in a spot where you can't get out. And I would take the cigarettes. Addiction is not a joke. Turn around. Oh,
I
gas
can't.
cans.
I'm stuck.
Try and fill up the gas cans for cooler, maybe.
Am I stuck on something? Why can't I turn around?
Spider legs.
Matthew, what's happened?
Um,
Oh, there we go.
Introducing the long dry. I don't know. Look, there's a tank full of water and a tank full of gas.
Okay.
I try to fill my car up.
Why can't I turn?
There's a rabbit coming at you.
What? Where?
It's outside though.
This is the only way to turn. I must break my spine.
Lika can break the spine.
There you go.
The spine.
Oh, I was stuck on the car door.
Break the spine. Break the spine.
Okay, we have that now. There we go.
There are also like buses and trucks and stuff that you can get when you drive.
I dropped.
Find them.
Oh, there it is. Wicka the boonie.
You're gonna kill me in my sleep. Oh yeah, there's a thing on the front. There's the wire brush. Oh, you can put that on the front of your car. The pipe. The pipe looking thing.
Pipe?
Yeah, the thing, the bar.
This?
Yeah, the bar. Sorry, I said it was a pipe. You can attach it to anywhere on the bar, I think.
Oh.
Just press G.
Perfect.
Beautiful. And then I'd take the wire brush. If you want to paint the car, there's a paint can right there. Up on that shelf.
Wow.
So you can paint the doors that are painted. Or the hood, yeah. I see the hood. Or you might want to turn it towards the car.
Oh. Yes, there.
The game is a little hard to learn.
There we go. Okay, I'll just store
But
this.
see, you have to wire brush it.
Here, I
Take
can just
the
store
wire
everything in the engine.
brush. Ooh. And you can spray it down. Spray the car. You make it. Use the sponge to wipe it down, make it shiny.
I don't care if this car is just protecting from the rabbit.
Oh, okay. Store stuff in the engine. It's gonna be really great when you have to go in there and refuel.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, take the flashlight. Leave the weird looking magazine. Probably not family friendly. Just keep that in your inventory. Not one of these spots, because at night if you break down, you're gonna need it. Or don't,
Okay.
whatever.
This.
That's alcohol.
Oh, we don't need alcohol. Hey, we definitely want the
What's
weights.
that weird glowing thing under the... Attach that to your car. You can! You want to attach that to your car.
Perfect. There we go, the servo,
Beautiful.
buddy.
That should be it. Except for I guess there's one.
Yeah, our car needs to get stronger, Matthew. We need to
I feel like you're gonna weigh it down to the point it breaks. I put the gas in the trunk and stuff just in case you don't
Put the
stop.
gas in the engine, Matthew. Just store the gas tank in the engine.
Put the lighter fluid in the engine.
What's a... Oh, oops. I'm sure that's fine.
Nothing wrong here.
I didn't just break the car.
You should probably take the gas out. Put it in the trunk.
What happened to my gun?
Oh,
it's in
put
the
it in the
seat, that's
shotgun.
right.
Put it in the shotgun.
Okay, I think we're ready to go.
You're leaving without gas or anything.
Oh, wait, did we not? Oh,
You should probably close the trunk.
I just moved the entire car. It's fine.
I'd close the hood so you...
Wait, does it not have any gas in it already? Yeah, it does. Okay, close the hood.
Close.
Long drive, but it takes this entire episode to move 1 foot, then get murdered by Booney.
Maybe open the garage door by pressing the button. Oh. You found the attic! Grab the sword!
I found the
Grab the sword,
grab
kid.
the sword.
Okay, turn around. There's a sword.
This is the weapon of true Likas. Oh, it's a samurai sword.
Yeah. Don't stab yourself.
Ah!
Be a long drive, but I stabbed myself with a katana. Oh yeah, and take the bar and attach it to your car if you want.
What do these
There's
do?
another one right
What do
there.
they do?
But you can attach like baskets and other things to them. Also, they look really cool. It's just a storage place where you can attach things to them.
Oh, I dropped it behind here.
I do not believe you take fall damage in this game, so you should be okay.
Ah!
There's a basement.
Cool.
There's another bar. Jeez, man, this is a good spot. Just attach that anyway.
Perfect.
It's like half in the trunk. Are you gonna get the other one out of the basement?
No, we don't need all that. We're just gonna go until we can't.
And then open the other one?
Oh, there's a thing out there, I think.
I wouldn't know which things.
What?
Because, well, you can. I'm moving. You should try and find aliens like all the other YouTubers.
What?
Aliens? There are aliens in this game. They fly
Oh.
over your car.
Let's see, where's the ignition switch?
Hi, Lisa. Hello.
Booney, booney.
That one here.
Well, we can like go through the game. We can only violent when she's violent, so most of the time we get perfectly nice.
But if someone
Matthew,
Eric.
oh, hello. Matthew, I kind of may have sort of detached my door.
Put it back. No! Put it back. Oh, I see you learned how to drive.
Oh, this is exactly... Hey guys, I'm trying to learn to drive in real life right
Go
now.
in the third person.
Ow.
Third person. There's a rabbit.
Oh, hello. Bye.
I moved the road. You don't want to fall off.
It's... Okay. Turning 360. 360 no scope.
How do you feel about this?
Beach comes us. All rabbits come from Lika. Everyone knows that. Lika is god of rabbits. Goddess of rabbits. Oh, it's fine. Everything's fine.
There's a cat. How do you feel?
Hello, Bree. Hello.
Is that a car?
It is. I don't know when this cut out, but we're driving, and we're really good at driving.
No, he's not. He almost got killed by a rabbit.
Yes, this is how we drive. This is how you drive in real life, too.
Oh, hey,
Yes. We finally got the car working.
like how
cut off. And now we're driving. Why should you keep driving on the side of the road? I think that road's bigger.
I try not to get too far away.
So is something gonna happen, or am I just gonna drive forever? Uh-oh.
Sometimes it happens.
Oh. It's fine. No. Shit. Yeah, it's just a... Oh, they're rabbits. They're not a rabbit. Not a rabbit. Yes! Oh, don't call the weird, or I'll continue your soul. Oh. You can put everything beside you, Miller.
I think the goal of the game is to find my mom.
My mom, oh. Is that what the picture was? My mom?
Not this though. That was a but I do think I think there's something
This is Fran. This is her
that's a reference if you don't get to thegamearcher.com. That's GANDARCHOR.COM.
Yeah, go to games.archer.
Archer.
Just kidding, I'm on purpose just to make Dad mad.
Forget this. I like how the movie
By the way, my guy's not using her. Oh!
in a post-apocalyptic society, you're driving a car down a
Who said this was post-apocalyptic? I didn't kind of see anyone else. That doesn't mean the apocalypse happening. A rapid apocalypse. Oh! There's something over there. Like there's a spiral or a tornado or a tower. Well, we're heading over to it.
Your car's probably run out of gas like I told you to fill it with.
It's fine. The gas was stored in the engine, so I'm sure it's fine.
You left the gas in the engine. Did you bring the extra gas?
Wait, how far can I stretch my arm?
Really far.
No. Oh, that's oil.
Is good. It's a gas.
Let's see, let's find the gas. I know it's somewhere in here. Did everything I put in here fall out?
Yes.
Uh-oh. It's fine. I'm sure some. It just fell,
Into the trunk.
into the trunk. Yes, it magically fell into the trunk, I'm sure. Alright, we have an extra tire here.
Nice. That's really gonna save us.
Here we'll have just tied in the trunk.
Anyways, guys.
Anyway,
Anyway, I think that's gonna end the gameplay. I can't find the gas in my car.
here, let's just try removing the engine.
Drink.
Oh,
It's driving away.
Wait, yes, yes. I'm
Come
not
in.
gonna open the door.
Oh.
Ah!
Lock the door.
Okay, guys, I think this is the end of the video.
Watch the bunny. Move that way, Matthew.
So our car has escaped and we died in the middle of the desert. End of the video. Bye.
Here.
Hey guys, Matthew says we have this very rare UFO here.
It's the red
Keith, you're gonna have to
UFO. Kid,
pause.
look at it.
Okay,
You're gonna have to pause.
but something's rare is happening. Hey guys, we have a very rare UFO. I can't turn right now for some reason. My mouse isn't working.
You're fine.
There's one. Right there.
There, it's right there. It's apparently going to steal my car, which drove off into the distance.
Don't touch anything.
It looks
Okay.
like
Don't
it might
lock
be
the
one of
door.
those red UFOs that people are talking about.
One of those red UFOs. Okay, so this has turned to from the long drive to the wrong walk.
It's Road 96 all over again.
This is, yeah, it's Road 96. Maybe we can accidentally take a bus. You know, Matthew, when we actually took the bus, I think we need to replicate that.
There are buses in the long drive, so that would be pretty easy to do.
Okay, let's go find our bus. Except I can't. I have to only walk backwards.
Let's just keep walking. Let's
Uh.
just keep walking.
That looks fine.
I think your car might have broke.
Well, it's off in the distance now. Not my problem. Okay.
No, I mean, I think that your car started that fire.
For some reason, I can't turn around. Oh, it's because I'm crouched. Oh, that's the stunt. I was like, what?
What?
What is that?
Hang on a second.
Wait, why isn't the skylighting open?
It will. Turn around. What is
I can't. I'm stuck. Ah!
Having a good time. Having a good time.
And like crouched over weirdly, I think. There you go. Can I turn around now?
Your whole
What's
body
happening?
is wrong.
Like,
This game is fun.
guys, I think our head might be in a weird position here.
Go into third person. Press C.
Let's see. Oh. It's not working.
Oh,
I'm
it must be
crouching.
when you're in a car.
It doesn't work
It's
otherwise.
only when you're in a car, probably.
Okay, so we're just gonna be walking backwards from now on.
Or you could just end this one and start a new series.
New
You haven't
series.
gotten that far anyway.
Oh, there, I turned around. I just had to use the katana. I found them stuff. Okay, guys, time for the long walk.
What are we walking to?
Oh, there's something over there. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's a rabbit? No, it's not a rabbit. It's something else.
It's a rock.
No, there's something over there. Oh, it is a rabbit. Hello. Let's go say hi to the bunny.
Can't wait for the series to erupt.
Hello, Mr. Bunny. Or Mrs. Bunny. Hello. Hello. I think they'll hold this just in case. It's a present for you. A sacrifice of my sword. You can have it. You're running away. Come back, Mr. Bunny. Bunny.
Water.
Hello. There's another bunny there. I think you're gonna die. It's running from Pika. It's like, ah! Run! Oh, there's something there. Like a hut. Where's this bush? Come back! I just want to say hi. Oh, that's right. My gun was in the car.
Shotgun.
Which oh, it's just a bush.
That rabbit was a bush.
Yes, the rabbit was a bush all along, guys, and we're lost in the middle of the desert now. Okay.
Not really lost, just temporarily repositioned.
Okay, so, the guy died out in the middle of the desert.
There it is! Right there, the rabbit.
Oh, there's-
Walk towards it.
Hello! Hello!
Maybe that wasn't the UFO. There seems to be a lot of them.
Well, unless I just have all the UFOs. I just got this super rare save file where I get, like, all the UFOs. It scared me.
Usually they'll attack you, but these seem
I think Matthew's lying to me.
They do!
Uh-huh.
They'll end you in an instant. Look, Luca's going in her bed.
Oh, yeah, she'll do that.
She jumped over and ran into her bed.
Okay, let's just, okay, guys, this is the final boss right here. If I defeat this, the series is over. Oh my god.
Whoa! OMG, what a save!
Wait, can I pick this up? What can I do with
What?
this?
You can eat it. Drink it.
Drinking it. Grr, 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 grr.
LMB. Drink.
LMB drink. Grr, 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 grr. Like a bar filling up. Grr, 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 grr. That must be my first. Grr. Oh, this is alcoholic cactus.
Is this the end of the video?
Yes, I was drinking cactus till we die.
Nice. So you need blood right now.
Yes. Oh no, I'm dying. Oof.